palette knife. Why do I believe that the palette knife is the best tool for painting outdoors? Because it's simply more convenient. The ease of using a palette knife becomes especially crucial when working in unfamiliar conditions, where washing hands might be unavailable. With a quick wipe of a napkin, the palette knife is ready for the next stroke. In contrast, using brushes requires periodic cleaning and can get quite messy. Painting with a palette knife, following a few guidelines, allows for a clean and enjoyable process. Despite oil's reputation for being challenging, some artists opt for gouache or acrylic. While these are valid alternatives, nothing quite matches the richness of oil. Let's give it a shot. Working with a palette knife, it is not only interesting, but also immensely satisfying. This opens up many possibilities for the artist. Stepping out of your comfort zone, gaining new impressions, being alone with nature, and spending time meaningfully. Painting on plein air helps to discover and develop your unique artistic style. For those wanting to stay in the loop, do subscribe to my channel. Additionally, I extend an invitation to Patreon, where I share both free and premium videos covering palette knives techniques. Catch me on social media too, where I unveil insights from my plein airs and discoveries in unique places. All the relevant links are in the description or easily accessible by searching my nickname Julia Palette Knife.